Hello, happy Friday. Troy Manella here with Altera Mortgage. Hey, and basically, I was talking about somebody they wanted to discuss some things about power prospecting. So I did a little bit more research on some top producers as far as for prospecting and came up with, 6 highly suggested things to do during prospecting. First of all, when studying, it seemed that there was a lot of confusion about how prospecting we just needed to keep doing the same things as we were always doing before. Well, the market, if you haven't been paying attention in the last 3 years, has changed dramatically. Effort times market equals output. Since the market's down, get the same output, we must increase our effort. So our marketing must be a little bit better for our prospecting. Basically, the first thing is that marketing, you need to understand it's your job. As a sales professional, your job is to acquire leads. And then once you acquire leads, then it's to effectively satisfy any needs those leads have, which results in a sale. But it is your job. So you need to understand that prospecting is your job. Also, the second thing is at the same time, every day, you need to set it, you need to set it as an appointment. If you had a listing appointment at 9 o'clock, you were going to be there at 9 o'clock, right? We'll set this up because this is just as important. So I'm going to have a prospecting appointment at 1 o'clock, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and at 2 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Something like that. And set it up, lock out your room, make it quiet, get in there, and complete your appointment every day. Also, it's very important in prospecting as far as for numbers. I made 10 calls, set 1 appointment. So you understand what your ratios are, so you know what your calls need to be and things like that. You understand how effective your prospecting is, so that way you can build a new program around it. Because if it's important enough to do, it's important enough to track. The last couple things is really which basically everything in sales boils down to, and it's your mindset. Before you pick up that first phone call, stop for just a second and think inside, what is going on in my head? Am I in the right frame of mind to be picking up a phone and calling someone that has never heard from me, so that when they do speak to me, they're going to be impressed with the person they're talking to? So make sure you're in the right mindset. While you're doing the prospecting, it's very, very important that you should stand, move around, feel free. The more you move around and things like that happen, the better you'll do. Wear a headset. Again, be enthusiastic and make sure that when you're calling them, you believe you've got great information to give them. Hey, as always, I will be available this weekend. My number is 512-785-3561. AlteraHomeLoans.com/Austin is our website. And if you'd like to sign up for any form as far as these links for my blog that we do real estate training, it's realestatemarbles.com/RE training. Have a great weekend.